Hello everyone. Today's topic is a full stack using Angular, mysql and Spring. Then see one by one. See it. First one is a Angular. Next one Spring Boot, and last one is a mysql. Then communicate the Spring, mysql and Angular. Then first one is a in present in a server to the Angular and Spring in present in a servers, and database server are present in a data MySQL. Where uh, when you in a full stack in a representation of diametric representation, first one is a user, next one is a server are present in a web service, web spring web, next one is a core, spring core, and last third one is a spring jpi, and in present in a server, and last one is a database server in present in a data. Then see one by one. First one is a user. User means that user interface. UI means that user interface. User interface application might have desktop application. Desktop application in a is representation of Windows application. Means that mobile applications, Windows applications. The mobile application are user interfaces in iOS and Android application. And next one is the user interface. Send a request in a protocol to send a server. Means that TCP protocol, transport control protocol, IPv4 and IPv6 are a protocol to send the request and response to the server to communicate. The in this process is a two-way communication process in this server and user interface. And next one is a server means that to updating the data and updating data in server, and respond to the user to communicating the user to this is processing the server web. In this process, first one is the spring web. In spring web means that the Angular in presented in HTML, CSS, in CSS, and in present in means that Angular in a inbuilt implementation of HTML, CSS and JavaScript in present in a web, spring web. That is easy to understand and easy to handling to the error occur in a understood the easy. And next one is a spring core. In spring core means that the spring core means that in present is the implementation of Java methods, and some logical part are present in a spring core to updating and deleting the some parts, to some changes in a Java basic in a part of server to use that spring core. And next one is a spring jpi. Spring jpi means that the communicating the database server and in server presented in a in this process, the communication in a present in a hibernate, in present in a hibernate. In all information in server to the transfer to the server in used to the jpi, spring jpi. Next one is a database server. Database servers mean that data will be stored in a tables. Means that row and columns can be stored in a database to store the data in a format to store in database. Use that the database server. And this process is a full stack Angular and Swing. Swing means that present in spring is a present in Tomcat. Spring means that spring is a default browser is a Tomcat. Uh, Thank you.